Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pranjal and today we are just going to talk about in a very important topic, right? So before proceeding further, I just want to request you guys just visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and like my videos as well. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, which is just next to subscribe button. So let's get started guys. What are we waiting for? So today's topic is gonna all about how can you just improve your communication skills faster, because many of the people have this issue that they want to improve their communication skills faster but they can't, right? So today I'm going to tell you three most important tips and tricks that you can help you to improve your communication skills faster, right? So the first thing I would like to tell you is like, don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is a thing, this is a very common thing, and I would say that many of the people have this issue. They are just afraid of making mistakes. They are just afraid of speaking this language just because of they think that if they make mistake, people will definitely make laugh. So no, it's not like that, because you are just going to learn this language, not other people. It's your process, not other people's process, right? So just think about you, not other people's, right? So it's very important. If the people make laugh of you, not an issue, just let them doing this. But yeah, just be concentrated, be confident enough to making mistakes, right? Because mistakes is a process of learning, okay, process of improvement. If you do not make mistakes, you can't just learn it, okay? So if you want to learn anything, it's not about the language, anything, so you'll have to make mistakes, right? This is very important, and you can just learn from those mistakes and you can just improve yourself ahead, right? So this is the process which I have told you to make mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because it's very, very important, right? Now the second thing I would like to tell you is like, make an environment. This is also one of the common issue which people having, like they don't have good environment around them to speak in this language. Many of the people say that they don't have people around themselves to speak in this particular language, so that's why they can't just speak in this language most of the time. But I would like to tell you guys, in today's generation we are just living in a Google, right? You have Google, we have a none numbers of technologies, right? So you can just use those technologies in for your betterment, right? So you don't need to go outside, or you don't need to choose any of the particular institute to instruct you in this particular language. No, you can just learn this language by sitting at the home. You have a YouTube, you have a Google, you can search it if you really want to improve your communication skills. This video is for those people who really want to improve their communication skills. So just open your YouTube channel. Why are you wasting your time? Just open your YouTube channel and just there are many reliable channels which can just give you some of the relevant information regarding your communication skills, that how can you improve your communication skills. So just watch those videos every single day and just try to improve, and just try to improve every single day. This is very important, okay? So this is the process, this is the way that you can just improve your communication skills faster, right? So make an environment for you. It's not some other people responsibility, or it's not anyone's responsibility. It's your responsibility to make an environment like this, right? You can just go and stand in front of the mirror, right? You can speak to yourself as much as you can. If you don't have people around you to speak in this particular language, not an issue, just speak to yourself as much as you can. Just try to adopt this ability, just try to adopt this thing inside you, right? Once you just start speaking with yourself, I would say that you can see a lot of improvement, right? You don't need to find anyone to speak in this particular language. It's a kind of a self-assessment, right? So do this thing. You should always give, I think 1 hour or 1.5 hours to yourself. Just go inside the room, keep yourself locked inside the room, and give any of the particular random topic to yourself and just try to speak on that particular topic. It's not about the people, it's about you, okay? And just try to speak and just try to record your voice as well. You can do one more thing, that you can just turn on the recording, right? And you can speak on that particular topic and you can record yourself, and you can just after that topic you can just listen that recording, and you will be able to realize that yeah, I'm just making mistakes here, I'm just making mistakes here. So you will easily you will be able to catch your mistakes easily. So this is the process which I'm just telling you. And the third is like, keep your journal. Yeah, it's really very important, you know, to keep your journal along with you. Man, when you are just going to learn any of the language, it's very important to make notes, because if you do not make notes, so I would say that you can't just keep all the things in your mind, because language is something, there are none numbers of vocabulary, none numbers of phrasal verbs, none numbers of different things. So you can't just keep all these things in your mind, right? It's gonna be like kind of a hodgepodge. So it's really important for you to make journals, to make notes, and keep it with yourself, right, all the time. Whenever you just need it, you can just open those journals and you can just read it, you can just revise it, you can just look over those journals, so you touch with the words, right? So this is the very important thing I would like to tell you, to keep journals. And these are the three tips which I have just explained you earlier, right? Just follow all these things I would like to tell you, and you can improve your English faster and faster, you can improve your communication skills faster and faster if you just follow these things properly. And it's not an overnight game, I would like to tell you. You'll have to be patient, right? Because language takes some time. It's not like it will take some time, just give your language to some time to understand, okay, to know that language. That's it. Thank you so much for listening this video, guys. Have a good day ahead.